If you thought a family MPV had to be boring, the 2027 BYD Xia is here to completely change that idea. This thing looks less like a traditional people carrier and more like a luxury lounge on wheels, with a seriously futuristic face, a powerful plug-in hybrid system, and enough technology to make some premium European cars look old school. Welcome back to Noir Velocity, and today we're taking a closer look at the 2027 BYD Xia. Now, before we get into it, one important point. Detailed official specifications for a 2027 model year Xia are not yet fully confirmed, so this review uses the latest Xia specifications and technology currently available as a reference for what we can expect. And visually, the Xia is definitely not trying to hide. Up front, you get an extremely sharp lighting signature, a wide sculpted nose, a clean grille treatment, and aggressive black lower detailing. The long body gives it that unmistakable luxury MPV presence, while the black roof, large glass area, and premium wheels make it look surprisingly sporty for something designed to carry 7 people. At more than 5.1 meters long, this is a big vehicle, but BYD has done a good job making those dimensions look elegant rather than bulky. But the real story starts underneath. The latest Xia uses BYD's DM-i plug-in hybrid technology, combining a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a powerful electric motor. Current versions are rated at up to 200 kilowatts, or roughly 272 horsepower, with 315 newton-meters of electric motor torque. Depending on the version, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes around 8.1 to 8.5 seconds. Now, is that supercar fast? Absolutely not. But for a large 7-seat luxury MPV, those numbers are more than respectable. More importantly, electric torque gives the Xia a smooth, immediate response when you press the accelerator. And because this is a plug-in hybrid, it can deliver a much quieter and more refined experience around town than a conventional gasoline-powered MPV. And let's talk about the exhaust sound. This isn't a performance car designed around an aggressive exhaust note. The Xia's character is refinement, silence, and effortless power, so don't expect a dramatic roar from the tailpipes. Instead, the appeal is that smooth electric response followed by the gasoline engine quietly joining the action when needed. Step inside, and the Xia becomes even more interesting. This is where BYD clearly wants to compete with much more expensive luxury MPVs. The cabin focuses on space, comfort, and technology, with 3 rows and a 2+2+3 seating layout. The long 3,045mm wheelbase creates plenty of room for passengers, while the flexible cabin can provide up to around 2,036 liters of cargo capacity, depending on seat configuration. The dashboard has that modern BYD approach: large digital displays, a central infotainment screen, a digital driver interface, and a clean, technology-focused cockpit. But the Xia isn't just about screens. Premium seating, soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a spacious second row are what really make this vehicle feel like a luxury family machine. And if you're sitting in the back, this is where the Xia starts making a lot of sense. Families can get 3 rows of seating, while executives and passengers can enjoy a much more comfortable second-row environment. BYD also offers advanced driver assistance technology, with higher versions featuring systems such as Di Pilot and, on some specifications, LiDAR-based hardware. The technology package is arguably one of the biggest reasons to pay attention to this MPV. You're looking at intelligent driving assistance, digital displays, connected infotainment, and a cabin designed around modern passengers rather than simply getting people from point A to point B. And then there's the value. Current Chinese market Xia pricing has been listed around 194,800 to 257,800 yuan for the latest 2026 range, while the original launch range started higher, from 249,800 to 309,800 yuan, depending on version. That means the exact 2027 price and international availability could be very different, but the Xia's value proposition is already obvious. You're getting a large 7-seat MPV, plug-in hybrid efficiency, serious cabin space, strong electric performance, advanced technology, and a luxury-focused interior, all in one package. So what's my final verdict? The 2027 BYD Xia doesn't need to pretend it's a sports car. It doesn't need a loud exhaust or ridiculous acceleration numbers. Its strength is doing almost everything a modern family or executive MPV should do, while looking futuristic and feeling far more premium than its traditional MPV image suggests. If BYD carries the latest Xia technology forward into the 2027 model year and keeps the pricing competitive, this could become one of the most interesting luxury plug-in hybrid MPVs to watch. It is practical, powerful, comfortable, intelligent, and seriously stylish. And honestly, that's what makes the Xia so impressive. It proves that a family car doesn't have to sacrifice personality. This is Noir Velocity. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we've got plenty more future cars coming your way. And now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the BYD Xia over traditional luxury MPV from Toyota, Lexus, Mercedes, or another premium brand? Let me know in the comments.